Hello everyone, my name is Sam and I'm the product trainer for TMD Friction. Today I'm going to show you using this equipment called DTV or disc thickness variation. We're going to show you using these equipments to demonstrate what happens when brake dust or dirt is not properly cleaned or removed from the wheel hub. It will have some effects on the disc and the disc will not be able to sit properly or completely. Right in front of me is a BMW F10 brake disc. It's for the front axle fitting and it's now fitted on to the DTV equipments. The dial has been set, as you can see, 0 setting, and as I rotate the disc, it's not supposed to go beyond 70 micron as a tolerance. Okay, so I'm gonna rotate it now. Check this out. You will notice that it stays within 30 micron, which is beyond, within the 70 microns limits. And I'm going to show you right now using a piece of paper to simulate the thickness of the dirt and the dust. Just hold on as I remove the disc. A4 size paper. I'm going to tear this. I'm going to fit it onto the hub. I'm going to put the disc back again. And this cone is to hold the disc in position. I'm going to set the dial back again. And I'm going to set this to 0. I'm going to rotate the disc and to show you the effect with the thickness of this piece of paper to simulate as dirt and dust. You will notice the dial. Every division is 10 micron. It's way beyond 250 micron. That is way beyond 70 micron, which is the limit. So in this demonstration, is to show you the wheel hub have to be properly cleaned and removed of all the dirt and the dust. Thank you, everyone.